So you bought yourself a Fiero and you have a sunroof and you want to know how to take it out. Stay tuned. And the problem is, it's not like other sunroofs. If you take a Celica, for example, it just slides up and back. However, in the Fiero, there's not enough body space to do that. So designers got around that by making it removable. How do you do that? Well, let me show you. First, you have to open it. Then you push in these two tabs here, lift up and down. Now your handle is free. So all you have to do to remove it is to lift up and pull back. But now that you have it out, what do you do with it? So the Fiero doesn't have a trunk really, and it's kind of one. You can put a suitcase back there, but if you put your glass back there, it's going to bounce around and probably break. So the Fiero engineers had a clever little way to get around it. In the front, that is the front trunk, there are these rubber pads. That is where you put your sunroof. However, there's one more piece to this puzzle, and that is this right here. This is called a deflector. It's a wind deflector, and it fits right up there. You'll also notice that there are these rubber pieces here. These come down and put pressure here and keep it locked in place so it doesn't bounce around and break. Alright, so you got the window out. Now what do you do with this thing? Well, it's pretty easy. These holes where your hinges go for your sunroof, that's where these little tabs go. And they just lock in place. Like so. Voila, you have a deflector. And to put it back in, you line up your hinges. Drop it in place and latch it back on the inside. You're done. And that is how you remove a sunroof on a 1988 Pontiac Fiero GT. Alright, so you put the window back in. Now what do you do with this? These things are becoming harder to find, as a lot of parts are for these cars. They're unique to the Fiero. So there's a little place where you put it, do a little twist, boom, done. Keep it there, you won't get it lost. Alright, I'll see you on the road.